Hello guys, welcome to Chemswot. Today I am going to show you a very simple experiment which you can do and you can perform at home, and it's very interesting. Why it is very interesting? Because you might have seen rainbows in the sky during rainy season, and now I am going to show you how you can make it. So what you need to do, you need to take water in any of the vessel, and then once you are having that water in the vessel, you take a mirror of any size. You can take the mirror in your home, wherever you find a small mirror, or something which can be half in the water and half outside. So I just try to place it inside the water halfway and then try to focus it so to get the rainbow. So let me fix it in somehow so that the sun rays drop on this mirror and the reflection is there. So I'll show you how it is. So you can see the reflection as well as the rainbow. So you can see the rainbow here on the roof. I'll try to make it like down. So once again I'll just try to focus it, so adjusting it so that it comes on the door of the mirror somehow to catch it. I'll just try to make it possible to bring it down. So here, yeah, so it is here. You can see on my palm that the rainbow is there. The 7 colors, the vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, as you are aware. So this is the part of every curriculum. So it is, be it like small classes or the higher classes, even in 11th and 12th. In atomic structure, you have seen that rainbows means vibgyor. We are talking about the 7 colors, the vibgyors. The white light contains 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So that vibgyor is this, and it is very simple experiment. So isn't it easy to do it at home? So similarly, there are multiple science experiments which you can do at home. So this is one of them, and it is equally like important or interesting to younger kids as well as higher kids in high school. Thank you very much. I hope that you might have enjoyed this experiment. Thank you very much.